Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. So today's topic is food we eat. बहुत अलग अलग टाइप का खाना हम खाते हैं. Let's study about them. Now let's start. Draw or paste pictures of the following. Your favorite fruit, your favorite vegetable, your favorite dish. इन तीनों की ही फोटो आपको यहाँ पर पेस्ट करनी है. So we all need food to be strong and active. We eat food. It also helps us to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. And good food keeps us fit and healthy. So खाना हम सभी की ज़रूरत है, necessity. इससे हम टेस्ट तो आता ही है, पेट भी भरता है, but इसी की वजह से we are strong also. We stay active also. So खेलने के लिए, घूमने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए, लिखने के लिए हमें जो एनर्जी मिलती है, we get it from food. Now let's study about different foods. So we get food from plants and animals. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses. तो plants या फिर animals दोनों से ही आपको food items मिलते हैं. Plants से specifically we get fruits, vegetables, certain grains and also pulses. So these are all your fruits, vegetables, grain and pulses. From animals we get eggs, meat and milk. The hen gives us eggs, the cow gives us milk, and milk is used to make many milk products such as cheese, butter, ghee, etc. तो animal से हमको egg मिलता है, we get milk, cheese, butter, all of these items, and then milk से आपके बहुत milk products बनते हैं like cheese, butter, ghee, etc. Like all of these are the products that we get from animals. Now let's see how many meals in a day we eat. So there are three main meals that we have in a day. We have breakfast in the morning, we have lunch in the afternoon, and we have dinner at night. We must have our meals on time and we must never skip any meal. तो तीन मेन मील्स होती हैं. मॉर्निंग में हमें ब्रेकफास्ट खाना होता है, आफ्टरनून में लंच, रात में डिनर, और कोई भी मील आपका स्किप नहीं होना चाहिए. Now let's take a test. Prepare a menu of what you would like to eat for. ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर, इन तीनों ही टाइम्स में आपको क्या खाना पसंद है. लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट में पोहा और पराठा, लंच में चपाती, राइस, दाल, एंड डिनर टाइम में भी आपको जो जो खाना पसंद है, यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट दोज आइटम्स हियर. Now good to know, the light food which we eat in between our meals is called snacks, and we should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. तो इन तीनों meals के बीच में आप जब थोड़ा छुटर पुटर खाते हो, वो आपका snacks होता है, और at least 7 से 8 ग्लास पानी आपको डेली पीना चाहिए. Now let's read about good food habits. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Chew your food properly. Finish all the food in your plate. Eat clean and freshly cooked food. Dirty or stale food can make you ill. तो खाना खाने से पहले बाद में आपको हाथ धोने हैं, खाने को प्रॉपरली च्यू करना है, प्लेट में जितना खाना है सारा खत्म करना है और अच्छा साफ हेल्दी खाना आपको खाना है. Good to know. Oily food and cold drinks are not good for health and too many sweets, toffees and chocolates can spoil our teeth. तो ये जो oily खाना जो tasty तो बहुत होता है but health के लिए बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं होता और ज़्यादा sweets, sugary items अगर आप खाओगे तो आपके दांत खराब हो जाएंगे. So ये हमें नहीं करना है. Now let's revise. We need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. We get food from plants and animals. There are 3 meals that we have in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we should eat clean and freshly cooked food. तो हमें खाना चाहिए so that we can grow. 3 meals होते हैं: breakfast, lunch and dinner. We should have them on time, never skip it, and we should eat healthy food items. Now, practice time. Take the correct answer. We need food to play, grow, work. So, option number D, all of these. We get food from plants and animals. Option A. We get milk from cow. Option A. The meal that we take in the morning is called breakfast. Option B. Now fill in the blanks. Food gives us energy to work and play. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Fruits and vegetables are obtained from plants. We should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water, and dirty or stale food can make us ill. Now answer the following questions. Why do we need food? We need food to work, play and grow. Likewise, you have to answer rest of the questions also. Now skills builder. Which of the following food is neither from plants nor animals? Take the correct answer. So honey आपको plant से animal से मिलता है. Then you get सॉल्ट और जो आपका सेकंड वाला है दोनों ही आपको सेकंड वाला भी एक्चुअली ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी यू गेट इट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स बट सॉल्ट आपको ना तो प्लांट से मिलता है ना आपको एनिमल से मिलता है सो यू हैव टू टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. Now fill in the empty boxes using the words given in the help box. So we have meat, fruits, milk, vegetables, egg and rice. We have headings of sources of food, plants and animals. Like मीट हमको एनिमल से मिलता है, एनिमल के नीचे आप ब्लैंक में लिखेंगे. फ्रूट्स वी गेट इट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, तो वो आप प्लांट्स के नीचे लिख देंगे. लाइकवाइज अप्रोप्रिएटली यू हैव टू राइट द रेस्ट ऑल्सो. Now get some clay of different colors, make the models of different fruits and vegetables with it and display them in your class. अलग अलग colors के clay लेकर आइए, fruits और vegetables के clays बनाइए and display it in your class. Now life skill. Always drink clean water. Don't waste water. साफ पानी पीना है और पानी को waste बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.